In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your live broadcast with a StreamYard. So a new way after Facebook removed the API permissions, third-party API permissions. So the first thing you need to go to the destinations in your StreamYard, and you need to add the destination. The destination that we need to add is going to be custom RTMP. So we're going to click on custom RTMP. And just like in another video, we're going to grab these links from your Facebook group. So I'm going to go to my playground group again, okay? And let's just go to the playground group again. And then we're going to pretend that we're going to do the live video. I'm going to click Go Live. This is our Facebook Live producer. And we are going to click on Streaming Software. Inside here, this is where we're going to get all the information. So if you're watching this video and did not watch the Zoom, we're going to go through the same thing. We're going to get stream key and streaming URL, and they call them a little bit different here. In StreamYard, it says RTMP server URL. And it just says it's the one that has RTMP in it. So we are going to go back here. And that is your RTMP one, server URL. We're going to copy it. We're going to paste it here. And the second one, we are going to go to our stream key. We're going to copy it. And we're going to post the stream key here as well. You can also nickname. So for me, this is my playground. And I'm going to nickname that my playground. Okay. Don't worry about the server password. Normally you would not have that. And you're going to say add RTMP server. So now we created this custom RTMP server. The next step is going to be, we're going to start the live stream. And in this case, it's my playground. You see, I have a couple of them because I'm testing it. We're going to click on my playground. We're going to do the title. So it's going to say test. Okay. I'm going to start. And we're going to enter studio. Okay. I'm going to edit to stage. But what I recommend for you to do is you would not have this banner. I recommend for you to create a banner for your group. So in my case, if it's right now, you're not seeing my video because I'm doing the Zoom, but normally it will show like that. So when you start streaming live in your Facebook group, it will look like this. So I normally have like a general background here, right? So overlay, and I just customize the rather overlay for my group. And then what I do, I also go and click on banners, and I like to put something like this one, live starting, in 5 minutes, or starting soon. And I also like to include like a scroller. So this way, when I click on that and when I pick it, it will just scroll at the bottom like that, live starting soon. Okay, so I do have it customized inside my StreamYard. So I'm going to go live right now. Okay, so I'm going to go live, but remember, this is actually not going to start live. It will show that you're live in your StreamYard, but it's not going to start live in your group yet. So we're going to go back to the group, okay? And now see, we're going back to where we started the live. See, it's connected now. And it's actually showing your video that it's connecting to the right Streamline software. And we're going to, so the next check mark here on the left-hand side, we need to complete post details. So we're going to say title here, whatever the title, in my case, it will be test, and then description, test, okay? And then you're going to save. And after you do that, your Go Live button will be highlighted. All you have to do is click on Go Live. And that is what will start your live inside the Facebook group that you chose to do. In my case, it's my playground group, and it's going to show that it started. So let's just go ahead and check that. Let's go to the group here and let's just go and check it. So in this case, I'm in my playground, okay? And this is how it looks like. Facebook group that we chose to do, right? So in this case, I'm in my playground, right? And here you go. And this is how you stream in with a StreamYard. The only difference, a new way, you will not be able to put the comments on a screen. The only difference in new. So if before we could have put the comments on a screen and it would have shown, right now the comments will not be shown, but you can still create those custom banners. That is like, you know, for example, you can just, whoever was asking the question, and you can do that. You can actually type them. If you have somebody ask question, you can actually say, Katya, asking a question, and you can quickly do that, and you can display this one. It still will be much better experience than Zoom. Okay, that's all for now.